Mrs B's Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to make a paper roll butterfly. Nice little decoration for your bedroom. Put it on a nice little shelf. Here he is. Okay, I'll tell you what you need to make it and let's get on with it. Okay, what you need is a paper roll like this and some spotty paper or any pattern paper that you might have. If you put the roll on the paper and then mark where the end of the roll is, then you'll perfectly make your paper the right size. Where the mark is, fold your paper over, find the mark and fold it in a line. Open it up and then use your scissors and cut all the way along. And then keep the part you need for your roll, and the other bit can go out the way. You need to turn this side over and then you're going to get your glue stick and glue a little bit at the end. Start your roll not quite at the end, and obviously you'll have an overlap. And then start to roll it, press it down as hard as you can just to make sure it adheres to the roll, sticks nice and tightly. And then roll it round along the bit of paper, and then when you get to the end, glue some more. You might want to glue quite a big section just to make sure it stays on. We did this, if you watched my Easter chick video, we made the Easter chick the same way using the paper roll and some yellow paper, so check that video out if you haven't seen it. And press down to the end. Now this bit where you've got this section joined, that will be the back of your butterfly, so you have a nice plain front. So this could be where you put your wings on. Make sure it's stuck on. Now what I did was I got two nice pieces of pink paper and I cut out two heart shapes, and when you put those together it makes your butterfly wings. So I'm going to stick those together now. Just overlap it slightly and push it down. Okay, and there's the wings. Now you want to decorate the wings. I've got some nice sequins. Butterfly wings are the same on both sides. So I'm going to make sure wherever I stick one colour I match the other. I normally glue the wings and not the butterfly, not the sequins, but for speed, just to show you how it can be done. Get my next ones. Any sequins will do for this, so you might have buttons. You might want to use glitter. And put this other one on. Put as many on as you like. Obviously don't put any on this little bit because you'll not see them, because your paper roll is going to cover it. So you'll just be wasting sequins because no one's going to see them. So there you go, there's the wings. Now what I suggest you do before you attach them to your paper rolls, rather than gluing this, you glue the middle section of the wings. Remember, it's the pattern side you want to glue because you want to be able to see the wings on the back. Now what you want to do is turn your wings round that way, find the crease at the back, press it in the middle, put your fingers in, just give it a good rubbing. Okay, and it should keep them on nicely. There you go, so there's your wings done. Move my silver sequin out a little bit because you can't really see that one. Again, this is why I say you could always glue your wings on and then decorate to make sure. It's just a bit trickier, that's all. There's those done. Okay, now he needs a little face. I've got a felt tip pen. And I'm going to draw a smiley face on. Like that. And you can use googly eyes if you have googly eyes. I've chosen to use some stickers and some small sequins. So what I've done is I've got the white stickers. I'm going to choose the sequins that I would like to use. Got my little tray. I put them in a tray because it's a bit windy today and I don't want them blown away. There's my eyes. I'm going to glue the eye onto a sticker. The sticker's a good idea in case you're using one whole colour for your butterfly body, because then you've got the white behind, makes it look like it's got an eyeball. And stick those on. It should stay. Okay, now your butterfly needs some antenna. Now you could use pipe cleaners if you have them, but I've got some kitchen foil. I'm just going to take some off. And all I did for this was scrunched it, twist it all the way along, like so. And I just shaped it like that. And then you can use some sellotape to stick it inside your tube. Don't worry if the sellotape needs to go around the back, because that is where your seam is anyway, so you won't see that. And there you have it, a nice paper roll butterfly. Hope you have fun making yours, and don't forget to send me some pictures to mrsbeesartsandcrafts@gmail.com. Take care.